So hey guys, how's everyone? So today I want to bring you a product that I think will be very useful for everyone, no matter what car you have. Be great, especially if you're working under the hood here, and it won't break the bank. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked up that I think will be very useful. So as you can see, it's always dark under the hood. They don't put any lights in here anymore like they used to. So even when it's daylight like this, it's pretty dark under here if you're working, trying to find a bolt or something. And those lights right there don't put off a lot of light because the hood kind of blocks light from coming down. It can be very frustrating, especially if you're looking for something. So check this little device I picked up. It's the Ansel super bright LED work light. This thing packs a punch. Super bright for sure. Let me go ahead and open it up here and show you what you get. So like I said, it's a nice compact design. What I like about it too, it can be used as a power bank. You can plug any USB device in here and it'll charge it up for you. So if your phone's running low, you can charge it in here. Really nice, has this rubber cap here to protect the ports. But the one on the right is to charge the actual light, but then this USB will be used as a power bank. So you can plug your phone, any small device in here and it'll charge it. And then those lights right there show you how much charge is in this unit. So it's 3 bars right now out of the 4, or dots. Let me go ahead and show you here. All you do is push and hold the power button on the back here and it'll kick the light on. So you click it. Check that out. I said super bright. Can't really justify how bright it is just from the video here, but really good for getting in spots. Like I said, if you've ever worked on a car and you can't really see exactly what you're doing, it's very frustrating. Or if you drop a bolt, it's even worse. And this won't get hot like the conventional lights here. And the best thing, check this out, it's magnetic on the bottom. So it'll stick to any metal parts like that. And it has a swivel, you can adjust it. That's probably the best feature right there. Super bright. Like I said, if you were trying to do this at night, this thing would just light up the whole engine compartment, which is great because a lot of times I do tinker with my car later in the evening. Works really good. Don't have to worry about attaching it anywhere. So I think that's a really great feature on this. But then if you want to attach it, they also give you a little carabiner clip that you can attach at the bottom of this, and then you can hang it as well. So you have options there. Like I said, it's great, it's compact. I like it, won't get hot. It's an LED, so it's gonna last a long time. And it's great for anything that you need. Around your shop, if you need some extra light, for some shelves you have, so you have a storage unit that doesn't really have any light, this thing would do great. Here's the clip right there. You just clip it on. And you can always hook it here to the latch. And of course I did this backwards, but you can get the point. You can turn it on here. Super bright, as you can tell, but like I said, I did it the opposite way, so it's gonna swivel back toward me. An overall great quality light. It's sturdy, it's not gonna break if it drops on the ground. I really like the design of it and how compact it is. You can put it in your glove compartment if you want. Just keep it on you. So, you know these hoods are aluminum, so unfortunately it won't stick to the hood. So that's the one thing. If you have a car with aluminum hood, it won't attach to that. But if you have the standard steel hood, you can magnetize it to that. It'll be solid light. It's just a great option to have. That's the hard thing when you have lights, like where do you put them? Do you lay them on the car and roll off? And this thing's super strong. I'll just attach it here. For me, I can even use it like this. Turn it on, and it swivels to light it up. And like I said, it doesn't do it justice because it's light in here, but it's super bright. I'm kind of surprised how bright it is for that one bulb, or the one LED. But again, I highly recommend it. Guys, right now you can get 20% off using my promo code Honda John M3. I'll put it in the description. The link's in there and the promo code as well. So go by and check that out on Amazon. I think you really like it. Again, it's in the description. Again, nice, useful tool if you guys work on your car around your shop. It comes in really handy. Frustrating thing I've noticed is not having adequate lighting when you're trying to do something. It makes it a lot harder than it has to be. So again, check it out. I think you guys will really like this one. I do. I appreciate all your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, everybody.